Color na.
Mama.
Color na. Sige na, color na.
This is what well done. Wow, she read me.
Ay, color na. Yellow again?
Mama.
Whatever color you like.
Cool. Yeah. Nah.
Okay. Next, what's the color of the eraser?
Purple.
Last na. This one and this one ang last. Kayo mag-read na kita. Oh, ano oh.
This is what you do. Mama. Hello. Hello, Papa.
Sige na. Okay, next. This one ba?
Maybe.
It's green. Go. What color is that? Okay.
It's talking. It's
Sige
white.
na.
It's white.
Sige na. Yun na be. Color na.
Oh.
Color na. Color na.
Baby.
Ay.
Papa.
Color na. Okay.
White. Mama.
Hi. Hey, finish your assignment.
Mama.
Sige na, finish na. Ay. Ari na, last na na, oh.
Almost there. I'm almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
I could finish one.
Tomorrow we will color this. Oh. Okay? Okay? Dali, ana. Sakit, why?
Second away.
Ay, ano na, be? Ha?
Always. Second away.
Nabunggo, be? Why? What happened?
I hurt it. The only my bone.
Nabunggo, be? Ah? No, too much candy. O, sige na.
Hindi.
O, sige na, finish
Hindi,
na.
Mama.
Hindi. I-drink ka water karon para
Mama, it's I eat her.
too much candy na na. O, sige na. Ano na.
Hindi.
Yes, too much candy. You eat too much candy. You
In my
eat so
second,
many.
the squeeze and my on my hands.
Because you're eating too much candy.
In my
Too
teeth,
many
Mama,
candies.
hindi.
O, dali na. O,
Mama,
finish na.
hindi.
Hindi.
It's my squeak, my sack, and my head.
Ito na.
Mm.
Kung maintindihan, anak. Sige na. Finish na? Okay, give it to Mama. Then, we're going to practice reading.
Mama, I'm going to teacher.
Ako si teacher ni. Happy kayo na si teacher. Next, we will practice reading. Oh.
Ma. Me.
Again. Up. Again. What is this? Again.
Fa.
Good job. Louder.
C. Ma.
Ba.
Ba.
Good. Louder. Again.
Free.
Very good.
Seat.
Oops. Oh, what is this? Again.
At.
Oh, good. Ang spa. Don't forget this. Again. Again. Read. Again.
Sat.
Very good.
At.
Again. Don't forget the again.
At.
Mat. Again.
Mat.
Oh, again.
Mat. I think it's good.
Finish? Good job. Up here. Oh, Rico. Again. Okay. Kiss me. Love you. Love you. And now it's time for
Finish.
It's time for eating.
Mama, finish not yet.
Finish.
Mama, enjoy.
Very good. Idoy, Mama. Idoy ka naman ni Mama.
Enjoy.